ife. Your name and a bomb mother. It's a bomb wood. Is that not my soap? Is that not my premier soap? Why
must you be shouting my name like a madman? In
Hey! Ewocho! Are you a witch or a wizard? Which one are you?
I'm a witch, one wizard. Witch, one wizard, come. I'm going to have Malia Kita. In a wall, in China. No, in a wall. 62 weeks, it would go. Naki, let's see in our one lane. I'm
an Anchango. I bought this soap just for me to be using it only for betting. You are using it to wash your panty. Ewocho. You're a witch, you're a wizard. If not for one thing, you see that soap, I will use that soap and then go inside with it. Akocho, onye brezi. Onye brezi. Onye na atoje. Eh?
I know why I'm respecting you. I know why I'm respecting you.
Otonaka nna ya no. Ocho! I hear me we bill. E we bill ge we bill.
Nwa umalicha nwa dikam. Afia melu we bill. Eh? Nwa afia melu we bill. You will receive odi an.
My head.
Okwa ngwa receive ri. Eh?
Bibiniri. Mba ibiri teketa oke bia. Bia to nko. Mba nko ke bia reto. Nwa you kwesi no bedie. Go to Lagos. You run away from Lagos. From every na supermarket, you run away because of your bad character. Okay, now, our mother tried to connect you to Charity. One Mrs. Charity. For her, Charity, Ngwaku no Lagos, Nala Hosumba. For her to teach you how to do tailor, sew clothes, you run away because of your stubbornness. Now you Who
is talking?
I know.
Muna gina bo yen san. Enwe nwa yin ta we to sanu na. Nwa na elo. Nwa yin we lo. Obele okita yi ya.
Nwe gi no na di.
Obele ogi nwo.
Inoro di.
E wu gi no na.
Come ifi buo me buo ngu.
Ogi, enwe ozo ye na na.
Ifi buo mu.
Mma egu gi.
Ebuo ngu.
Anu ma mu go.
Ifuro gi. Before you know now, you will not do anything useful. You will not do anything useful in this house now. You will go outside and start doing stupid business. You go na habata. Na ate go abacha na ha toko no go abacha niro iwe buru ya abacha bata eba no di me amwo that's mwogo mgbogu mgbo
ma bu na ma gbolu fa abacha ngo maka ya gbolu
ya abacha
ma gbolu dia ngo maka ma gbolu dia abacha
na jonna ma ano nwanyi ma no nwanyi ya anu di
na no ge
imagine again. Do you know if God brought you to this family to help the family?
He made 50 years. Ikanokwa.
Mbeke Edo, are you 16? Aye bugi na kana po. Aye bugi na kana po. Pupu go ben na ya no.
Mu agbara ko.
Ihe wo aro sento.
Ibu agbara agbara.
Aro sento.
Agbara okija.
Iberu na aweze nwanyi nke gi wijije wora aro se. Aye eji moku we fu ogu. Aye bugu na ya no. Oto na aka. Imu obo.
Omalisham. Evergreen. How are you?
I'm fine.
Don't worry, by God's grace, by this time next year, you will be selling akara here. Open a big supermarket for you.
Boutique. Eba na la.
Business woman. Money.
How are you?
I'm fine. I want to buy a car.
How much?
50 naira.
Go government now, so non 50. Miss Gwani 100.
Tomorrow I'll buy 100 naira.
Are you serious?
You know yourself today.
Okay, my
dear. I haven't eaten. I'm waiting for your car because
I'm school. I went to the school.
Hey, very nice baby.
Thank you, my dear. Hey. A lot of people is telling me that they love this my car. And I'm happy about it.
Keep it up.
No problem. Can I have your money?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Keep it on.
Thank you, my dear.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Those big shops, man.
A boutique, a very large. Don't worry.
No, man, just Dubai, Australia.
Oh, Malaysia, this is why I love you.
I know good
you
things.
Always have sight. You always have foresight. In English.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Anozie and Kai. I must confess that the entire village is proud of you. Because your presence alone, this was a guarantee that you are safe in this community. I am here because of a popular saying. An elder is not supposed to stay at home and watch a she-goat deliver in his theater. In other words, okay, I don't know, the rate of crime in our community, in this our village, is getting out of hand. In fact, these boys are making the entire village uninhabitable again. And if they continue like this, it will graduate into a situation where food shall be hauled from them that have it. Eh? If I can it don't feel one here if I run an please, as an officer of the Federal Republic, which who we are privileged to have in this community, please do something to salvage the situation.
Well, I'm not going to tell you that I am not aware of the situation you are capitalizing now. As a matter of fact, it will be on record. Let it be on record that I know those criminals. Sure. How can I be an officer and something is happening in my vicinity, in my geography, in my jurisdiction? And as an intelligent officer, you know, my late father was an officer. Do you know this boy, this idiot from Ugbabusa, the boy that ran away from his master's shop? Oba Ejina family. Oba Ejina. That guy is a criminal. Any day I decide to deal with that boy, the other criminals, his gang will come out. I will just arrest the boy, detain the boy, then the gangs will come. The gang will come.
Please go ahead and arrest them. As soon as they arrest them and prosecute them, let them face the wrath of the law. Because I live safe. Otherwise, this thing may graduate into kidnapping.
You marry her, I want to go film. Because you marry her, I'll go to her. If you marry her, I forget me. I forgot it and a kidnap one them.
It's about reaching. You know, normally my business. It's almost full. Let me go for it before sour one.
Here's your big man business. After, imagine, you are doing two things. After Gacha you will still come back and do it. The other day you gave me palm wine. That one is very good. That one is very sweet. I would like you to be giving me that kind of food.
Yes, so you salute. Go ahead, Rogoma.
I hear you.
In my case, I am Bologia.
As usual.
That usual thing.
Okay, that's
For my babe, but I like it. Okay. You don't want to agree with that. Veggie milk. One biscuit, eh?
okay.
And then that veggie milk. Don't forget to put sweet.
No problem.
Okay, look up there.
I'm a 600.
Over 600. Yeah, often kind of art. Okay, video milk is how much? 150, Abi? Then biscuit 15 naira. That is 200. Sweet 10 naira. 220. You got to pay more. If you want to eat my money, you come close. Let me know.
Now, boy, para.
You want to eat me? You want to eat my money? Plain. Say it. Come close to me. Okay. Oh, when you give it to me, I give it to you. Wow. Givers never lack. Yeah, I know now. Association of Givers Association. See what will happen now. Let me give me. Huh? I'll pay 20 later.
Customer.
I don't have 20. I will give you 20. My name is Makuba.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I do you. It's not good. Yeah, okay. I am not forgiving you people, no. This is why you are running. I don't have to phone you. I don't have to call you.
Don't worry, one day I will carry it in my private jet. I will carry my rose voice. Yes. Come on, sit down. Okufuma.
Please drop it, let me see.
Better thing beside better things. Omalicha. Is that thing that is Omalicha? See that? Come on here. So, what do you care for?
Nothing.
Singing no, let me get at least if it is better than at least. Are you sure?
Yes.
Did you cook at home or what?
Yes, I did cook.
You cooked?
Yeah.
You cooked? You cooked?
I cooked.
Yes. Okay. Hop into my private jet, let me go and drop you. To my Rose voice. Oh, my time hopping. I want you to hold me as you hold me that time I called it was coming.
Oh no, I know you are here. You have to my number. Sometimes you want, Hey. Bring my usual, my number. Hey.
Where are you going to?
So soon.
Huh? B. Oh.
These are people going to.
Anozie.
Huh?
You are the one scaring my customers away.
How can I be the one scaring them away?
Why are they not running?
I don't know. Any man or woman who go see an officer or any uniform man and start to run, that person had no clean, not criminal. Yes.
Anozie. I don't like this thing you are doing.
Let
Why
me.
did you drive them now?
Do you know I can arrest you for harboring criminals here?
Does it also that? You know I'm a very good person.
I don't know where you are coming from. I'm just coming back from work. Don't go here to type me. You don't start again. You don't start. Forget this thing. I'm not going to work for you.
Do you know what's happened? What happened? Yesterday, I went to Mara shop to buy akara. I see Okoze sitting down with her selling akara.
And what's your business with that?
It's no good now.
Some people will not kill in this village. Massa, when will you learn to mind your business in this village? This is how you people go about in this village, gossiping about people. Cho. The other day, it was Amaka telling me about Anozie, pursuing women around in this village. Today again, it's you. My dad don't have time for all this gossip. I have many businesses to do than to stand here and gossiping. I beg, I'm going, Joy. If you don't have any other business to do, you better start going home. I'm going. I'll see you later.
Oh, dinner cover there. No, stand here and gossiping. I'm going. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Masi, gossiper.
Kill.
Sorry to my good evening. Yeah, good evening. Please, my name is Anozie from Onamba family.
Okay.
May I know your name? Sorry.
My name is Ginika.
Oh, nice name. And you are from the same village with me?
Yes.
Wow. How come I haven't seen you all this while? As a matter of fact, I had even wanted to wait better about last 2 weeks.
So how may I help you?
Oh, sorry to waste your time. If I want to see you another day, or at least to take you out to sit with you and talk with you, how can I do it? I mean, if I can have your phone number, you know we are going to.
Do you know that you are very funny?
They used to.
How can you just see me on the way and you just want to know everything about me, want to collect my number and all that? How possible it is?
Will I see you in heaven before or in hell? Before I start telling you what I'm feeling? As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to see you, no sir.
Anyways, you know what? I don't have time to waste, okay? I have a boyfriend and I love him so much. Stay away from me.
So it's a pure advert. I have a boyfriend. Imagine in this village, you are doing so much shakara about your boyfriend. Which boyfriend? Look at the way you are announcing him. Are you sure if that guy can announce you the way you are announcing him? I have a boyfriend. Sorry, I love him so much. The boyfriend. Cut away you here. Boyfriend in our battle. Conquer our abokan. Right inside there, it looks like your head want to go. You come outside, the same sun. Hey! Wahala. Hey! Hey, nah, son is too much. Nah, son is too much. Son is very much, you. Son, I'm.
Good
afternoon, sir.
As if I'm deaf. But I'm teaching him. I don't know here. And I'm also blind. But I'm blind, I didn't see you. In a flash, in a bee. Opado.
Is here?
Oh, he just deceive him. But that's how you go about deceiving young girls, that your name is Kezie. Your name is Okezie.
Ikpeazụ. Ka m gwa gị na ikpeazụ. Afa ijere ọnya machine tata ọkada. Akwa nke na-agbado ọkada bi.
Nwanna.
Mụ ka ị na-eweta aka. As if you don't. Mba! No, you don't know my statue. You don't know what I represent in my family. As if you want me to tell you that I'm like a father to her. You don't know that one. You are now in a Nyamaka. Mba Popo. What a mess. What a run nonsense. This hot afternoon, I'm not going to take it. Imagine, your name is Okezie.
Kezie.
Ibazu. Ifuru Ibazu. I better go inside.
But Kezie no eba.
What is happening?
You have to start going.
But who is he?
My brother,
Yes, I remember.
Come on, be going, please.
Baby, you are not like as in seeing you squeeze your face like this, eh? Just tell me what is that? I'm capable to do anything for you, eh? What is that?
Baby, I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
What happened?
Is it not that useless Anozie? That stupid boy.
Anozie, the one I know.
Yes.
What did he do this time?
Baby, you need to see the way this stupid boy insulted and embarrassed me at the stream the other day. Ha!
Anozie embarrassed me.
You need to warn him. Hey. You need to warn him to leave me alone. Warn him.
My own queen. Just I want him. Do you understand? Eh?
Baby, do you know the most painful aspect of it? It was a very big slap on the face when he told me that he can afford to pay my bills, to buy my soap and buy my cream. Could you imagine? Can you imagine that? It's an insult. Oh. You better go and warn him. Warn him. Oh.
How can I know? He wants to fight over what belongs to me.
I don't know.
What God just gave to me. Hey, it's not possible. In fact, by the time I'm done with him, you will hear the news. You understand? Just share up, eh? The game, eh? Just share up. In fact, let me just that food. I'm coming back. Okay. Eh? Just so you know what I like. The game. Let me just come. Eh? Don't worry. Let me just I will handle him. Eh? Don't worry.
Amara, so how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How about my friend Anozie? Is he at home?
He has left for work.
Oh, he has gone to work?
Yes.
Yeah. So where are you going now?
I want to go and see my friend, Ngozi.
Ngozi, you want to see Ngozi? Your friend?
Yes.
It's all right.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye, eh?
All right, sir. Thank you.
We'll see some other time.
Okay.
Hey. Look at that one more. If I told my friend Anozie, he's a police officer, I know that will not allow me. If not, I would have asked him to allow me to marry her sister. Hey.
Make sure I do not get your girl without you.
Just get there. I know what is wrong. Hey.
Hey, young lady, come here.
Hey. My goodness.
Does it mean you don't have fundamental brain to greet people when you see noble men in it?
No, I didn't look well. I don't know your person now.
So you don't have the fundamental brain that makes you to look like a human being. When your brain has been twisted to become a 0 point.
I'm sorry, sir.
Because you are looking like a fried donut. That is why it's a mistake.
Oh.
Or do you want me to call Anozie, the uniform man, my own boy, to treat you like an animal?
No,
huh?
I'm sorry, sir.
Then let me look you from the adjacent point. Can you shorten yourself like a fool as you are? I mean, You should kneel down. Okay, you want me to come on?
Hey,
kneel down.
No. Sorry, sir. Because forgive me now.
With that, I'm going to give it just the treatment of unknown identification like you. Now, you stand up.
Thanks, sir. Hey, nice man.
What I'm going to give you is a house of excellency.
Hey.
Can you spread your hands, your sideways?
Yes, I can do that now.
Yes, spread it. Put a smiley face before your face. Will it start coming?
Okay.
Start coming.
Okay.
Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Angie, close the hand accordingly. That is excellent. Put a smiley face.
No, I'm smiling now.
The most important thing, make sure you come to my house
in
the night.
Okay, sir, I'll come.
If you fail it.
No, I will not do that. I will come now.
You can go.
Okay, thanks, sir.
No, as you're going, you keep on smiling. Are you still smiling or you change your face?
No, I am still
smiling. That's good.
You will not see me in your house.
Stop! Who instructed you to be playing that thing? You want me to call Anozie for you? Move! Make sure you permit yourself into the standing of adjacent. Nonsense. Go! Fool! Let this woman look take away. I will use the stand to make this happen. Hey! I have a uniform now.
I'm supposed to be the one buying you something, but you are giving me anyway. Soon I will receive my salary.
Anozie, there is no problem. You know, it is not easy for us to get a cool drink in this our community. Look at it.
It's not easy at all, though.
Hey!
In our village, we still have chilled drinks. Ekene, Gallo Seahorse. For giving this village double transformer. Imagine, in one village, one man gave us double transformer.
Ikuku.
Seahorse.
Hey! That is wonderful.
Imagine, I'm enjoying my code.
Anyway, there is no problem. Without wasting more time, you know, I always give you a good advice that will help you. Eh?
Since after the death of my father, you are more like my elder brother.
Yes.
You have never disappointed me by giving me one grain of an advice. So continue, because look at where I am now. Because of you.
And as a know, now that you have become an officer, a uniform man, hey! When I sit down in my house and dream about what is about to happen, I will say, this is how the world is. As an officer man now, a uniform man, you are now a big millionaire. Yes. Before you know it, hey, the whole community will see you. Anozie, the uniform man, shows her. Everybody will salute him. Before you know it, badak, the money will be coming. As you are hitting yourself like this, the money is coming everywhere. Everybody will respect you in this community. The youth, the same thing, elder, the same thing. And by that time, are you leaving the French one?
In fact, I will be buying you. If from where I'm going to go to no longer one button.
You don't mean it?
Now you are trying to open my eyes.
Yes.
It's not easy to be a uniform.
Bam!
And no, from one to one, that person will be moving from one rank to another rank to another rank.
Before you know it, you even start deciding the type of rank you want. And everybody will see you. Bam! Anozie, the officer man.
Oh, correct. Carry on. Esprit.
Anyway,
after this one, I will pay extra 1.2.
Carry on, man. Carry on.
Is that means that any day? Huh?
Yes, now.
Then I blow it immediately. Anozie, the military officer uniform man. Shut.
Officer of the law. Carry on, man. He has finished. You don't finish.
Oh, she don't mind her, you know, from testing to testing. I'm back all around.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my friend's place.
Which of your friend?
I went to see Kachi.
Which of Kachi?
Why are you asking me as if I cannot take care of myself? I'm old enough to take care of myself.
I know that you're old.
Meanwhile, Mama, do you know what happened today?
What?
Amara insulted Kachi today because of Anozie.
Shut up! Anozie? Is it Anozie the one I know? This he goat. That's Mama, please don't stop.
Mama, just stop it. Eh? Stop it.
Hey,
have you seen him before? Because people are saying it. You're judging him by that.
Yeah? Go home now. Sweep everything. Wash plate. Mama, please. Stop it. Stop it. Don't stop it.
Are you trying to play me or what?
For what?
I can't wait to eat this your for bono. You will pay me.
For what?
You pay me.
It's your duty.
Duty what? I think you got there. No. I didn't. Don't you know how much of this makeup used to come out people's pimple?
Please, I want to sweep. Yes, now since you don't want to be useful to yourself, I want to be useful to myself. Let me sweep. When you know who, bring your leg off for now. I don't want to make that you have it. Madam, when you know who, bring your leg off. Can you raise your leg up small? You don't want to raise your leg. I'm not pursuing anybody. I just want to be useful. Now don't worry. Okay, you sit here. Okay, go now. Go. What is your problem? Go now. Don't stop me from being useful. Because I want to be useful. And I'll keep being useful.
Yeah.
Don't you? Get back here. Now I'm coming back again.
Keep on sweeping. Naza. Keep on sweeping.
What is your problem?
No.
I want to sweep.
Continue sweeping.
Imagine. Look at me. See time. After 4. I'm just coming back from 4.
You saw him and then you decided to sweep. Keep on sweeping.
I'm not sweeping.
No, but that man become on attack. Zabiye. I think it's Zabiye. Finish.
In that case, okay, start. Then I'll sit.
But they won't do it. You need to know that. You need to man do it. Zabiye. Yes.
Let us stand. Thank God I am a chief man. I'll be a boss of Saya.
Yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, no pussy.
Sleep.
Sister Zabihe. No cooking at doesn't. Take it at doesn't no quick.
No cookie, Jimmy.
Oh, back Ijibum, Ijimnanya. Oh, no cookie, Jim. When I have me, baby. What they have the Mogu. Blue who useless. Come on, who for the useless? To me.
Lamaka. Is in as he is in a chase up mother. Zabihe.
I have achieved my aim as a Pugomia. Open door for me.
Neka, too beautiful. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw your backside. You know, moving like. How about your mother?
She went out. She went somewhere.
Good. So your house is now free. Now, can I escort you? I mean, I have a special palm wine I want to bring to you. If you taste it, you'll jump over the fence of a chair. Do you like it? Huh?
I'm rushing home to do something till you come.
I will come. I will surely come.
Hey!
No matter how useless I am, what is important is the subject matter. Call me any name. What is important is the subject matter. I am coming. Go ahead, I'm coming.
Amma, please come and sit down. It will not do us any good that you as my sister or me as your brother, the way we are living will not do us any good. So to my best knowledge, it will serve us good that will keep any form of malice or fight aside and forge ahead. Let us fight for one thing, your well-being and my own well-being. You have seen us all. So I want us to discuss something that will favor me as a man and also favor you as my sister. I just want to ask. Now, after seeing all the happening men, guys, not even men, because if I ask you to go for men, you bring men. But guys, let them be updated. You know, let them be recent and not all those foolish. Now, after seeing even of your Fulego Noga, the young money, one Ayeze, all this young, even the young now move from Dubai to Thailand to Hong Kong to Turkey. You don't want to settle down with all these happening guys. You now choose Kezie or Kezie go Kezie. I just want to know why. Why?
All these people you are mentioning their name. Do you know how they make their money? Eh? And by the way, how is it your business who I choose to hook up with?
Ihere no nyara. The madman on the street is not ashamed as his people. What am I trying to say? Look around us. See the way we are living, and you are not supposed in any way to ask me that question. Are you happy? Look at you.
Anozie, look around you. Just look. All these things were built by our late parents. And here you are. Do you want to remain useless for the rest of your life? Do you? Nonsense.
Omuka also nonsense. My nonsense, sir. Who owns this nonsense? Is it me? Not because Nancy I keep fight that I cannot fight her. Is it because I asked her to pardon, to keep malice aside? Let us behave like matured people. And you have forgotten that I'm like your father. I can chase you away from this compound, from this house. Anyway, I don't want to do it. I know it.
See how big you are.
It's your hand block now. Okay. What is it?
For me.
Waiting for who? Are you not supposed to be guiding lives and properties?
What happened to life and what happened to the properties? Am I guiding life and properties? Am I the owner or creator of life? I'm supposed to be my duty, but as a matter of fact, I'm going to. In fact, as it stands now, I'm on break.
You're on break. Yes, is that the reason why you are moving about this village as if you no longer have control anymore? You don't have control?
Saying that I don't have right again to walk around my vicinity, my geology, my jurisdiction, at least to know what is happening. As a matter of fact, I hope I'm not fighting with you. You're supposed to be smiling, seeing me.
Hey, no kwa, smiling.
Yes.
As in how?
Instead, you are fidgeting.
As in how?
As if you are doing something wrong.
Huh.
You know, let me tell you, any man, guilty conscience, clear conscience fears no accusation. I'm supposed to, be walking around at least to see city, a gallant officer like me. It's okay. I hope you're Are you okay? Let me
Why would I be okay?
With that. Meanwhile, I will still go back to my station.
Why will I be? I thought you are waiting because you are missing me. Because you want to hear.
As it's acting as if we are fighting, we can't fight. This is our duty. Let me just go and eat my food and I'll come back.
Oba, come here. Oba, what was the meaning of that nonsense? Where is who? Wait a minute. How can you run away simply because you saw a fellow man like you?
I'm not running away. I went to equip myself.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. You disappointed me. You disappointed me.
I cannot do. Geneka, please.
Leave me alone. Hey. In fact, I'm not going
Geneka, I'm not running away. Right? Geneka, come. Geneka complained to me that Anozie insulted her at the stream.
Oba, are you trying to tell me that Anozie is insulting Geneka in this village?
How can Anozie try to fight over what he cannot get? In fact, I have promised Geneka that we are going to deal with that Anozie. Since I have somebody like you, dealing with him will not take us anything.
Okay. What is your plan?
By tomorrow, I will send a message to you. We are going to handle him so that the news will spread.
No problem.
By tomorrow, yes, by tomorrow.
Hey, imagine Geneka talking to me today as if
we are fighting. And I know she's doing this thing because of that idiot, that criminal, Oba. Without knowing that as an officer of the law, I can confiscate, in fact, I can arrest Oba and jail Oba and confiscate Guinea. And she's doing this, look at the way she was talking to me. On my way to go and eat food during my break time. Talking to me, what gave her the mind? What gave her the liver, the impetus? Maybe because of Oba, the stupid criminal of a boyfriend. Don't worry, when I start this plan, she will be the one who will do it. When I start it, she will be the one.
Why you don't want to go inside? Why are you standing here?
No, I feel like staying here.
You feel like staying here? Okay. You're behaving like you're a stranger, but you're not a stranger. Okay. I went out to buy something for you. I know you like it? Yeah. I'm Dosu. I bought this for you. I know you always like to lick licky girls. Bring it up for you. Oh, yeah.
Stop it now.
For real now. Long truth. Now give me. Don't revenge you. Don't revenge. Oh, yeah. Where now?
Okay.
I won't call my mouth to you.
Okay. What?
Omalicha, please. I have been with you for many years, and the best thing that will ever happen to me is if you accept to marry me, be my wife.
Yes.
Let's go.
My sweetheart.
Hey! Tomorrow! Hey! You're like Bomu Nazang. Hey! Ozumaro. No, Ozumaro. Hey!
Iche, my love. Ekaraka.
Thank you. I tried, but you are wonderful. I just tried, but you were wonderful.
I know.
My
sweetheart.
You know one thing? Tomorrow, I am here for you. From evening, all for you. Come with one special up wine. One guy. Your own is to buy. Your own is to get palm oil and oba for another condiments to make sure you prepare it well. After it, we will now.
You know one thing?
You finish, you go.
You are the only one that satisfied me.
We were. What are we? Uncle Sam. Hey!
See this officer.
This guy. Yeah, that's
that how we pass now?
Celestine.
The guy too there. He like the come late.
Commander.
Stand there.
Sure, Officer Lucas.
Sensi dressing. Idiot.
Adwire.
Thank you, sir.
Why you too like the come late? Why?
Sir, no be my fault too. You know, say you say me, me and Anozie, we will go that place, go carry that thing. Now that thing we will go carry. I don't know as Anozie come go again.
Where Anozie there?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. And you come back. You come back alone.
I say make I come report to you now. So we will be okay.
Shut up. Come on, stand well.
See, make I tell you. Now this our uniform. Now be our money.
Yes, sir.
Now be the food where we dey eat.
Sure, sir.
And you see that Johnson where we dey stand there?
Yes, sir.
Now that Johnson be our shop.
No, no, so, sir.
No be the salary where this country they pay us.
Yes, sir.
No, they come late.
No, na so, sir.
Na so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You see that guy with the back?
Sure, sir.
The craze.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Adwire, sir.
Go inside, bring your this thing will come out for work.
Yes,
time
sir.
the pass.
Sure, sir.
This boy.
You know they train this officer. Na Calabar.
Idiot.
What correct, sir?
See, do quick, idiot. Na Calabar officer be this. Na where the trainer.
That guy self, man. I don't understand them. Since that day, Oga employ him.
Allah Yuku. Actually, I'm on my way to my working place.
Good. I'm just coming from my usual tapping.
I forgot to tell you something. I'll be needing itotu.
That's 1 gallon.
1 gallon. I'll be needing it tomorrow.
I wish I have up to that. As you can see, the water is just drizzling small.
Yeah.
My palms are old now and I want to make new fresh ones. But I know that before after my afternoon duty, I'll be able to water the toti. That is 1 gallon.
I hope this one will still be sweet.
Ha! Wonderful.
I will not like excess water because
I will make the mistake.
Because
remember it's costly.
No problem. You try and reduce little money for me. I will try.
I will because I need the favor from you. What Dikeh is dragging my land with me, my inheritance, and I will stop at nothing but claim my land. I want you to call Dikeh.
Anything concerning land case, to me, if I'm to suggest, you need to come to my house, or better still, come to our office so that let us proceed it legally. It shouldn't be illegal. It's not something we should be talking on the road. We have some papers to sign and write, some petitions and all that. That's it.
Or better to, do I proceed to Anozie?
I don't know road to Anozie, and I can mandate you to go to Anozie.
I know the road to Anozie.
But I will still suggest and advise you take the case legally so that we prosecute legally. Sir, sorry, let me be going.
It's okay.
I'm late.
Okay. No problem. I know the road to Anozie. I will go to Anozie. Anozie will send it for us. Guys, Oracle will send it for us. Because I will make sure that Dikeh, I am sorry for you. No problem. I will make sure I train my son so that he become an officer like Anozie. I want you to put on uniform like this and look like Anozie. Nonsense. I will do it. I will try all of them.
okay, Zim.
I'm listening.
I can't risk losing you.
Let me tell you one thing. Don't mad your brother. He think he can threaten me with police uniform. For what?
You know, ever since my brother became a police officer, the Anozie you used to know has totally changed.
My love. So what's our plan? Do you have any plan?
I think I have to meet my auntie.
Your auntie?
Yes.
That's why I love you. You always come on with a good idea. Come on here, come here.
Oh my little moon. Moonlight.
Oh baby!
Sweetheart,
Baby, you have to leave this village before you are caught.
I'm not going anywhere, love. And how did they know that I'm involved?
You're not giving it any thought, baby. First thing tomorrow morning, you're leaving for the city until everything calms down, okay?
Now what will happen to us, my love? Eh?
Don't worry. I will come over when the needs arise.
I'm so sorry for what happened.
It's okay. I know I will miss you so much.
Just go. Just
okay,
go.
Okay. Go.
Hi. How can I leave this eh? Hi. This Anozie. Hi. Oh.
I don't know if I still have enough culture inside this bag. Hey,
Auntie.
Amara,
Auntie.
my dear, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This one you're looking like this. Are you okay?
I'm fine, Auntie. Sure. I'm okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
It's alright. Since you said you're okay, let's go inside.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow, it has been a long time. I'm happy to see you. Welcome.
You know my problem for this our work. No be say government carry us company. My problem. But where that our colleague will be
Anozie?
Yes. Wait.
Oga Lucas, make I tell you now. You need to say you dey pay una say Anozie no dey come work. On my own be say, how we go wear uniform dey here since morning? You sef, you know say as high senior officer wey you be, make you buy us even say na chin-chin.
Shut up. No be changing like.
Don't mind them.
Like teammate.
Hey! You go this side. Wait, come go. Stand for there.
Stand well.
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Anozie.
You say?
Okay, look at it, don't see her.
I do. Oga, make I ask you. So as you dey like this, you no get respect for me wey be officer, look at senior officer in this headquarters.
That Anozie is my friend now.
Oga, they talk.
See, even if you no get respect for me wey be senior officer, Oga, why you no come get respect for uniform? Abi you no dey see?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oga, make I see your bag.
Make I go.
Make I see.
Give us all the milk.
Make I see your bag.
Come on from here. See the next way you wear. I'm going to this is what the person is. Our uniform. See, person no get respect. The whole high rank
officer like you.
If people they work out, they come this our station anyhow, we go change them for them. For carry that man put for sale, at least bail out. So I will go buy Tintim and the pure water. Now him be my
your own don't see.
This guy, wait. This lesson get problem. This guy, yeah.
Now for which this thing they train you come.
Okay, see, she has my beer this.
So
I need to cut my head, cut my beer. So that I go there like a normal security YB where they wear uniform.
Not only your beer and your hair. When do you go do this one for?
Sure, Auntie, I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Auntie Ego. I'm sorry to disturb you, but I have no other option. Anozie is giving me seriously hard time.
Anozie, what is it this time?
He fights my boyfriend.
Fighting with your boyfriend?
Yes, Auntie.
And what was his reasons?
Either he marries me or he leaves me alone. But Keze is not yet stable.
Amarachi.
Auntie.
I don't know how you will feel. But I tell you, your brother is right. Yes. You're not supposed to put all your eggs in one basket. You're a woman. And time waits for no one.
I know, Auntie. I know.
But I will speak with your brother. I will talk to Anozie. Because what he's doing is wrong. He doesn't have the right to order your life around. Okay?
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
You now waiting to happen now.
They like this every time.
You know, I did what I tell you myself now.
I know now.
I can't stay without this thing, and not for you. You know, as I did,
No, you know, see me.
Now, this no one they give me more now. Not for you.
So, why you do like that?
Nah, guy, you know they run past like this now. Not for you. You don't know where we dey. Guy, I just say I know they want carry. Now what do you do now?
How do you get all this news?
Oba, why they talk like this? I suppose to understand these guys. You know, so now this guy, now guy, now what for you? You supposed to know him now.
You see that Anozie, since he became a police officer, he has been threatening my life. How can you want to collect my own drink? It's not possible. So, it's like I will see you people later.
Oba, calm down. Waiting there.
No, forget this one. This one no for
Okay, maintain though. Mind why you bad, yo, because the man they find you.
Guy, see, like I tell you, you go know how I go take the for this village. You, they hear me.
Okay, nobody see young men, and after you don't know again, you don't know me again. After you, me are the.
Morning, where your papers?
What do you say?
Where your particulars papers for this motor?
Paper.
Officer.
Okay, come down. Come down.
Hey, you. Hey, be going. Backward, be going. Backward, be going.
Come down.
Yes. Okay, you know the stop.
Okay. Who get this motor? Your motor?
Yes.
Offense number 1, expired tire.
What?
You know this. You don't see the expiring date. You don't see them.
Yeah. This one not for America. This one for an American motor.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, your papers.
Okay, what you say?
Hey, easy. They go.
Guys, let's go this way now.
Roger, you carry your motor go, or else the motor go reach station. Go that money. Officer Sele! Officer Sele!
Yes, sir, I'm coming, sir. What is happening, sir? Okay, sir.
Collect the papers.
Okay, the papers. Okay, you know the black police officer and the papers will be correct. Okay, sure, sir. Okay, sir.
What you want? Okay, you say now you get the motor.
This one is my motor.
You dey do Yahoo?
This one not be Yahoo, sir. Some for
You saw another
Because of this thing, because of what you have been doing to me, no man will joke with you in this village.
I'm a policeman.
Now, when you're me,
I got there, man. I'll be causing problem from here and there.
Cause, in fact, now you have a police, you have an officer, you know.
Yes.
Go and cause trouble. But always refresh me with your positive.
What will again there with Agina? This one is called the Baker.
Right. Anozie. Get good man.
We are fine to
Good afternoon.
No. Get good man.
We are safe.
All of you are safe.
I'm just coming back from work. Then you work, you know, we are here discussing.
That's a sister.
I'm bad, man. Every day. Hey, girl, Maka.
Yeah.
There is something I want us to discuss in private.
See, I feel like the one. This man on the table. Maybe one. Then the man will bring your money to me. I'll come to one. We discuss everything. But check that consignment. That consignment.
Hey. Anozie, I was here earlier, but you have not come back. So I am here now in respect of what your sister Mara complained to me. The way you have been embarrassing her and her boyfriend. Things are not done that way.
Are you now concluding? Mind you that as my mother's younger sister, you are like a mother to Amara. In fact, you're supposed to be Amara guide here. Now, I don't want to say that if you hear a thing like this, you need to verify from me, knowing my position in this family and also knowing my position in government. Look at the way you are glittering. Look at the way you are shining. Look at the clothes you put on. If you had married a barrel pusher, will you be like this? You will not. Now, what is wrong in trying to direct Amara, fashion Amara in a way that will favor her? I am trying to make Amara to make a favorable choice that will favor her and favor me and favor our family.
You are trying to favor Amara.
I am fashioning her, trying to redirect her. Oh my God!
And you are doing that by threatening her and her boyfriend.
She said that to you.
Ehena, is it not so?
Forgetting the fact that I know who I am and I know my position in government. I know I can arrest that boyfriend and also detain him. But no, I'm not saying that. What I'm trying to tell you is that I am not threatening anybody. Just that I want Amara to know that her boyfriend is not good for us. Imagine because of that case, if I say one, Amara will not say two. And I'm going to forget the fact that if you know me very well. You know me very well. You know my position. You know what I represent. You know who I am. That I can arrest Okezie and then detain Amara and detain whoever that will come for them. You know who I am.
No.
But I don't want to use it. I don't want to use my power.
Don't do that.
Now Amara should accord me some respect. So I can arrest and detain anybody that will come for Okezie. But I don't want to do that.
No. Don't do that.
Amara should accord me some respect.
You are right anyway. I know you are the father of this compound.
Oh.
You have the right over Amara and everything around her. But you have to slow down. Just allow them. I think that young man meant well for her. Just allow Faith to handle everything.
Where will I see the Faith?
Patience.
Do I need to meet patience? Or will you call? I think I am a quantum. I don't need help. By the way, what I bet.
Good afternoon, sir.
Lucas, good afternoon, sir. Come and stand well.
Sure, sir.
Officer.
Sir.
How today work be?
Make I tell you, today for good. But that is stupid Nicholas now cause everything though. This Nicholas what you see. Oga, stop moto. Say Oga, give us your driving license. Nicholas say no. Say na plate number now we check. Because everything concern the driving license with plate number. Okay, that one no finish you. That one no finish you. You get one woman where carry leg they come. Nicholas can't take the woman me in back. Say maybe the one bring it in particulars. Woman will take carry leg they come.
Officer Neko.
Sir.
If they stop woman, they ask for woman particulars.
Not be what? Not be thing happen. So I be innocent too.
Make I warn you. Make I just warn them now. Waiting with the find out particulars for moto. For moto, not be woman.
Sir, na moto.
Moto.
Na moto.
Moto. See, if you not do all moto, you go stop. No be all moto.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Men I can't do. Tell you find the tata.
I will not see anything, but anyhow, sir. Then I'm already busy. Okay, I don't see the money.
Give me money, Gary.
Guys, now, why they?
What be this one?
Okay, now the money now.
Now the money now?
Yes, now.
What about that big jeep way past that time? Where we stop? Where the money?
Okay, that jeep. I think say you get one person will give me mint. Now the money, all these people they carry big motor, they know they bring better money. Now mint and he can't give me where the face mask you do. Say me I carry this one. Say this one a face mask. A face mask. Money don't finish.
Yeah, this is the money we get for today.
What be this one? So this is what we get for today.
Sir, no, that is what we get for. Sir, why I go like for you?
Shut up! Shut up!
Sir, yes, sir.
Hands up.
Thank you, sir.
Hands up!
Sir.
Up!
See, Oga, this money you don't finish, but no be say I hide this one. On the last one, look at you. On the last one, you don't finish.
Officer Saleh!
Oga, sir.
Hands up!
Sure, sir. Sir, you don't finish.
Hands up! Carry your head up!
Sir, you don't finish. If you do again, now my face mask be here. Now that face mask well.
Tom, on your back.
Now we know the full money.
Oh, yeah, search am.
Behind to do that side.
Search am well, search am.
Tom!
Thank you, sir. Sir, why do you pull your ear for my chest? You be doctor?
Officer Saleh!
Sir, don't be money now, man. The person give you that money.
Don't be money, na person give you the money.
You don't say na paper, sir.
You don't say na paper, sir. You don't say na paper, sir. What be this one?
Hey! Sir, sorry, sir. Na devil.
Sir, sorry, sir. Na devil.
You,
sir! Hands up! I don't catch you now today. Hey!
Sir, listen. Oh God. I don't listen to
See.
Sure, sir.
The woman never give you money for
Now this guy, when they...
Shut up! Sir! Attention!
Sir!
Aduwaya, easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aduwaya.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Attention! Papa, mbele mmazi, ni naba ni ofro.
Sir, I will reach you.
One thing, all these criminals, they carry push for police work. They say, na them be police. Criminals, where they catch criminals. No, sir, go do account. To Inspector General.
Bingo. Really good again. Really good. Let me eat. How are you? Oh my, how are you?
I'm fine. Didn't you go to work today?
Wait, Tina. Why is it that you are always on my mind? Whenever I'm talking about you, you will appear.
Oh, love now.
I didn't go to work today because my machine has more problem.
I hope they are repairing it.
Of course they are repairing it. So how are you?
No,
This one your face is like this. I hope there's no problem.
My dear, my brother, eh?
Who is that person I'm talking to?
Oh no, you're putting in
Hey, yes. I've told you several times, stop touching me. He's my big point.
Hey, two of you, come here.
I said, come here. Where are you coming from?
We are coming back from work, sir.
Which working place?
Our working place.
What says the time?
Sir, but that's the normal time we come back from work.
By this time of the day, you are coming from work.
Every day.
What is in your bag?
My bag. We don't have anything.
I said, what is in your bag?
Sir, nothing is in my bag. This is my.
I said, open your bag.
Nothing. These are my personal use, sir.
What are you doing with two hanky?
It's my personal use.
Are you addicted to heat?
I don't understand this one you're saying.
What is in your own?
Nothing, sir.
Open down your bag. I said, open it. Eh? What is it? Is it not black nylon? Bring it out. Let me see. Bring it out. Open that black nylon. Hey! Drugs! Is that cocaine or the cocaine?
No, sir.
Why are you taking hard drugs?
So I'm not feeling fine, sir.
You are not feeling fine?
Yes, sir.
So you people are carrying 2 empty bags without anything. It's like you people are planning to steal.
No, sir.
Oh yeah, hold your ear. I said hold your ear!
We are not thieves. We are just coming back from our working place.
Sir,
please.
We are going to the station.
Please,
move! We are going to the station. I said move! To the station.
We are just coming back.
Move to the station. Go to the station. Go to the station.
We are not thieves.
Go to the station. I said move to the station. Go to the station.
We are just coming back.
Easy.
We don't have anything in our bag.
You pay me. You pay me. Yeah, what's over? What is it?
It's painful.
Painful. So when I come over to again. Is my
Amara, what are you doing here? Why are you here? Are you supposed to be here or are you supposed to be in our house? I'm still talking and you are still sitting. Now, voila. Can you remember?
But then what is your problem, sir? Eh? What is your problem?
Ocho. No, Ocho. Ochako Maka. English Akamu. Onu Obiam. Mbichi Obiam Echi. Ezu Obiam. Others are out there hustling like a man. What are you doing in your own case? You are here pressing a woman's leg in a Bayambo. Omero Mwani. Eh? And then you. Oh, you come and start going. Go.
Anozie, you can make one. We are
Thunder will fire you. Okada came out of Oboda. He began to Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia. After all, Australia and Indonesia all of in the rebel in a Wakada. And what was here? Seattle and Okada, Indonesia, Australia, Thailand, Asia.
God, can you just bless me? Please. This idiot's not police. Don't you care? I'm going to say the government they can dismiss him. God, please. Can you just bless me? God, you know, say only fit me. You want to fit me. Car fit me. Good house fit me. Can you just give it to me? God, please bless me. Let me insult this guy in this village. This guy is threatening me with police uniform. Let me insult him. Because of one, this idiot walk into my father's compound and insult me. Eh? Makego? No problem.
Amara, go home. Shame to you. Go home. At your age, you are still doing boyfriend and girlfriend.
Oh, is it your business?
How old are you?
Business?
How old are you? Shame to you. Very soon now you become 32. Uku Amaka, Bruku ne shake gare. You know how make you. You know shake uku.
Is it your business? Obasagi.
Uku Amaka, ne shake gare. You should be ashamed. Look at the way your voice is even shaking. Can't you use this west? I'm beautiful. Let her use this west. Let her use this west and save me from poverty. Look at the work I'm doing. Or even Obodo Ibo. Or even Anozie Obodo Ibo. Sorry, they won't go Obodo Ibo. The Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia, Shia. Can't you marry anybody from Shia? Indonesia, Australia. What are you saying? I know you are tired.
My dear, we thank God. We thank God for today. Hey, my dear, can you imagine that Anozie came to my shop today? He bought some gills, but he did not even give me my ordinary 20 naira.
Yeah, that man.
Ordinary 20 naira. My best customer.
Yeah.
No, cannot even say something again. As in, even if he come to my shop again to buy something, I will not give him any dime.
They don't sell. Oh, don't sell.
So, if you have gotten to the point that the judicial man like me that have a uniform band, you people did not notice me because you people are just useless identities. Yes. In fact, come, among both of you, where did I hear this word that just trespassed to my ears called Anozie?
You.
So two of you did not know who mentioned that name, Anozie. Okay, you. Come here. Come here! Do you want me to visit you in a military cabin?
Yes, sir.
Why did you call Anozie in the presence of the wind? Okay? Hands up. Hands up! Look at her. You cannot even clean the innermost side of you. And turn. Keep on turning. Look at the little punani you used to call a uniform man. If not for the sake, I could have hit the punani to become zero. Now, let's jump. Jump! 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 Run away from here immediately. Nonsense. A non-entity. And you, who give you that back?
It's my own, sir.
Your own?
Yes, sir.
You get the bag from your boyfriend and you say your own. Do you want me to call Anozie, the uniform man, to treat you up?
No, sir.
Now let me tell you, I know your secret. Because you always move like a snake. And listen to me, anywhere you see my hand go, you dance to that angle. This way. This way. This way. Idiot! Will you not get away from here? Get away! Nonsense! Look at the concombo moving like an animal. It's good to have a uniform man. It's good to have a uniform man. See how I have been celebrating the community. Let me see people next time and you understand. I know, see you are a uniform man. Wonderful.
Stand here. Let me tell you. Stand here. Stand here. Let me tell you. I don't want to exercise my power in fertility. I don't want to do anything. Somebody somewhere will not start saying I am doing it because I'm a uniform man. I'm a uniform personnel. Let me tell you, that boy, any day that boy will come close to you, I swear I will shoot him. Thought I will kill him.
Brother, calm down now. Calm down. Keze do not even deserve your brutality at all.
Let me tell you, my father did not marry my mother that way. And that guy will not take you like that. What a mess. What a random nonsense. A bloody civilian like him. And I say you don't know who I am. Now let me make it pop and play. If that boy wants you, let that boy come and pay your bride price. If not, if that guy wants you, let him come. And then I'll give him list. So that he will pay everything about you and then take you for wholesale. What are you saying?
Oh yeah, wow.
Oh yeah, that you run away. You run away.
It's going to happen soon.
Go inside. Go. Hey! 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 Like this boy don't know me very well. Oh! This is why I'm not supposed to have gun. In fact, if I have gun now, shoot that boy. Go inside! Not this. supplier of sugar. As you dey sell sugar to people, your life go sugar.
Back.
Officer, good afternoon.
How you doing?
I did fine.
Where are your papers?
Officer, I don't get paper. I don't get paper.
How person go to drive machine for this country? No get paper.
It's in their house. I don't carry am.
In their house. The house they drive your machine.
No be house.
Wetin he talk?
He said papers their house.
He carry machine come for Federal Road. Carry paper their house. Na thunder go fire am. Make your machine, make your paper come road now. Come take you house. Collect 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, see, you know, say our mood today good. Collect, make him give you anything from his heart. We, after all, we don't take bribe. Oh. We don't take bribe. Anything from his heart. We don't take bribe.
Anything. Or else the machine will go station.
Officer, I don't carry money.
Anything.
Gone from our pocket. Maybe we no come take our hand and kill ourselves by making enemies.
Go! See, how person go carry motorcycle there, pass for this country, no, leave the papers for house.
That's all they do sometimes. See how person go dey waka for street.
Officer, they hit you. They don't hit you. They don't hit you. You got dead there.
Wait a second.
Oga, you hear the sound?
I hear the sound.
Na gun no.
Oga, you be like say na gun sound.
Na real gun no, no be small gun.
Na gun.
Hey, na gun I dey tell you. This one na like AK-47.
Na criminals. Oga, where we go?
Oga,
where we shoot for that?
You be like say you go toilet.
Go toilet. We don't go away. Come. No, I don't.
Where driver? Go pick your car. Pick your car.
Go.
Evening, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh my God. Hey, I see you're new in this village.
Not really. I came back from Port Harcourt.
My God, it's okay. It's good. Whose daughter are you?
Mazude, sir.
Mazude. Very nice man.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. No problem. Okay, no problem. Well, please, excuse me. Don't be offended. Excuse me. Just a minute. Excuse me.
All right, sir.
Sorry that I stopped you. I like you.
Please, I don't like you.
Why?
I'm not interested.
It's not leading now. It's not leading. Wait. Please.
Sir, please, I'm in a hurry.
Please.
Excuse me.
Hey, please now. Please. Hey. Hukwa. Man hukwa. Man obulu. Hukwa. Mchokwa nani.
Dikachi. Amara. Hey. Hold it. Now listen, and listen carefully. I want you to stay away from my brother and go for your mates. Anozie is very much older than you are. The next time I caught two of you, your mother will hear from me. Idiot.
Amara, I've told you time without number. Stay away from that stupid man, but you wouldn't listen.
You see the insult we got because of you. Please, let's just go. Can you just imagine? Let's go.
So why are you shouting my name, following me from behind?
Ma,
is everything okay?
Yes, ma, everything is well. It's just that I want to tell you do something so that you can actually help me to talk to my brother. It's about Kizim. Kizim wants to get married to me, but my brother is not giving me the attention to talk to me. So I just want you to help me and talk on my own behalf.
Kizim wants to marry you?
Yes, sir.
Do you love him?
Yes, sir. I love him.
Huh?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes.
Okay. And the problem now is Anozie,
Yes.
your brother, to give you the necessary cooperation. Consider it done. Don't worry. Just go down to your house straight. I'll be coming there, but let me see Mazi Okori first.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay, he's at home now.
I'll be coming. Coming straight.
Thank you, sir.
Me and the Oga do work. Oga, me and you supposed to see you.
Yes. See, you collect am next time. Don't put am for your pocket again.
Okay, sir. Me will wait for another.
Oh, good. You see this boy?
Please, my name is Anozie from Onamba family.
Okay.
Yeah, I know your name, sorry.
My name is Ginika.
Oh, nice name. And you are from the same village with me?
Yes.
Wow. How come I haven't seen you all this way? As a matter of fact, I see we wanted to wear better about last 2 weeks.
So how may I help you?
Oh, sorry to waste your time. If I want to see you another day, or at least to take you out to sit with you and talk with you, how can I do it? I mean, if I can have your phone number, you know we are going to.
Do you know that you are very funny?
They used to.
How can you just see me on the way and you just want to know everything about me, want to collect my number and all that? How possible it is?
Will I see you in heaven before or in hell? Before I start telling you what I'm feeling. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to see you, you know, no sir.
Anyways, you know what? I don't have time to waste, okay? I have a boyfriend and I love him so much. Stay away from me.
So it's a pure advert. I have a boyfriend. Imagine in this village, you are doing so much shakara about your boyfriend. Which boyfriend? Look at the way you are announcing him. Are you sure if that guy can announce you the way you are announcing him? I have a boyfriend. Sorry, I love him so much. The boyfriend. Cut away you here. Boyfriend na akwa baro. Konke na akwa abokata.
Amara.
Ngozi, so you are calling me.
Amara, how are you?
I'm okay.
How's your brother?
You can forget Anozie. I'm not even safe as well. Do you know he threatened to shoot Ekeze?
Tell me it's not true.
I wish it isn't true.
Yeah. But Keze is a nice guy now.
I don't know why he hates him so much.
Don't worry, one day you will know how to like him.
I want the likeness to start today. Anyway, I'll talk to you later,
because Keze is around. My
friend. I'm a friend.
Like to talk. Like it. Bye-bye.
Will you just shut up? Every time, yeah. Anozie, I've warned you to leave me alone.
Are you talking to me? Are you okay? Are you alright? Imagine. Did I hear you say shut up?
Yesterday, your sister Amara warned me that if she caught us together, that she will go and tell my mom. Please, can you just leave me alone, Anozie, please?
Imagine, am I holding you? Look at the way you are talking to me without any respect. That I should shut up, an officer of the law. No, you are not wrong. It's like you are acting Nollywood movie. Are you acting film? What business do I have to do with you and my sister? Who is my sister to you, if I may ask? Imagine. Somebody I'm even helping. If you think you have gapped it, what you have is a toe gate, not even an open teeth. Not to talk of gapped it. You don't even have waist. Your waist is wasted. Imagine 4 boys trying to rape these urchins, and I came to rescue her, and you are telling officer of the law to shut up. If not for one thing, I will just arrest you and detain you for an assault. Imagine. Onyana nwuru Anozie, officer Anozie. Somebody I say, "Hawk, salute sir." Say Ajuwaya. Imagine.
Hello.
Days. Where have you been?
Hey.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi. Imagine, I was standing here and you did not even notice. How are you? Hope you are not thinking about that your criminal boyfriend, Oba.
It has not been easy with me, but what can I do?
Anyway, I'm not equally blaming you, and I'm not going to blame you. You may not know that Oba is a criminal, you know. But all the same, no problem. Have you eaten?
I can't even eat.
No, you are right. You are right. But at the same time, it will not be good for you to kill yourself by yourself. Whatever thing you see in this life, you take, because human beings, they are unpredictable. You can't tell what they can do.
Thank you so much for giving me life once again. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You need to recover this because of song. You know,
Lucas, and what did they happen now? Passing around they come again.
No motor. I don't know as we rotate doors. In the sun, they too much safe.
They come, just they walk up and down. They time like say wetin dey put one carry. As the boss to carry all these small stones put for a pocket. Before this go carry it.
See your names. See your life. See your name. See your life. Back. See your head.
Park like this.
Hey, madam, park.
If I allow this girl make you go. Well, wetin I tell you say, if say we see money, we for go that woman place.
With that woman joint.
Hey, that woman getting now.
Where you see money now? I beg, see what you go do, eh? If we no see motor, even Nabaro people, we catch them.
Where we see us in the
Party cool.
Officer, what is the problem?
Sir.
What did that happen?
No yawa.
Ah.
No problem.
They go now. No yawa.
Madam. You don't get particulars.
Okay.
They go.
Who believe this that where stand for that place? If we don't see motor, we go back.
Hey, Anozie. Hey, you tried though. I never believe you're going to make it.
Are you the one saying this? Hey. I made a promise. What will it take to keep the promise? I said after work, as God may have it. Today is Friday. I'm done now.
Hey,
this one, yeah, weak point. Hey, let me tell you, if I supposed to last like 2 hours, then you touch me here, come touch me here, 15 minutes. On my way, I bought this for you.
All this was for me? Hey, Anozie. You see the reason why I'm always talking about you?
You can talk. You don't talk with your hand. It's your favorite now.
Yes.
It's your favorite.
Oh, thank you so much.
You always like milk. I'm supposed to be the one. I don't like this to you. Are you alone?
I'm alone.
Oh, you're alone?
Yes.
Meaning we can.
You want to play? You know what? Come, let me show you something.
Are you taking me to field?
You will like it. You will like it.
Mid-match.
You want to play? Come, let's go.
Where are you coming from? Come here. Where are you coming from? What is inside your bag?
Why are you asking?
I said open down your bag.
I can't open this bag.
Okay, you can't open this bag. Come here. I said go down. Go down, Mr. Man. Go down, Mr. Man. Go down. See your careless idiot. What is inside this bag?
Officer, I don't do anything.
I said what is inside this bag?
So, an officer is talking to you. And you're feeling stubborn.
Offense number 1.
Offense number 1.
Find suspect.
Oga condom.
What is inside the bag?
Oga condom.
Congolese.
Oga condom.
He's a suspect. He's a suspect.
Stand up. You are going to the station.
You get session today.
Give him his pass.
Take us a pass.
He's a suspect. Hold on, man.
Anozie. Hey. I know you're enjoying it.
I like it.
So when am I seeing you again?
Today is we are tomorrow. I will not work tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow is Saturday, then Sunday I can't even work again. So I think I will come tomorrow.
You come tomorrow?
From here. Will you cook?
Of course I will cook for you. Is it not strength you're going to use to do the work?
In that case, let me give you 2 days. From here now, I'll go to work on Monday. I'll go to 2 days.
2 days? You are saying with me 2 days? Hey! Oh, that's okay.
I like it. Come and see you.
Okay.
I like it.
I'll get it.
Okoso. Hey, brother.
Hey.
You will cook okwa.
You will cook okwa. So you like eating okwa?
I need your money.
Which money? Which money? Wait, so you want make I carry the one with the worry me now put for your head, Abi? You want make I carry put for your head? Take money, waka, shake it there.
Sure.
Come take money.
I will slap you.
No, come collect money. Money.
What's that this here, man?
Come collect money.
Fair go, man.
Where do you think you are going with all these things? As you can see, I'm carrying Anozie's and bunch. I'm coming to my husband's house, of course.
Anyways, that is none of my business. But you have to take this back to where you're coming from. Because here isn't meant for snakes like you.
Hey, anyways, in that case, I think Anozie is in better position to decide that, and not you.
Then we shall see to that then. No fear.
If you like, shut the door. Anozie was married. This is my husband's house. I am not going anywhere. You go and marry your own husband. Your mates are no longer in their father's house. Go and marry your own husband. Ashawo. Ashawo.
There's something I want you to do for me.
What is it?
There's this woman near my shop. Yeah. This woman wants to quit me. She wants to quit me in that shop. Please, get her arrested.
So that woman is still disturbing me in that shop? That woman, that is a nonsense woman.
Hi.
You know one thing, I'm not a policeman, I'm not a uniform man. But my friend is a police.
I know you can do it. You can do it.
That man will go to jail now. I will call my friend. I do that my friend. That woman is a jenga. Go sit down and rest. Ihe niile chọrọ aga m emere gị ya. Enye na nsogbu.
Thank you, Ndoka.
Sure, sir.
Well done. I do.
Sure, sir.
You say you won't give me something now? On the way.
Yes, sir. But sir, today market, you know too
But yeah, they here this year.
But we do our own
They here this year.
we do our own, sure.
This one be for your own pocket.
Yeah.
Only this. Okay, this one are for.
Hey, complete. Now look at it. Don't look like this.
I
Complete. I no be thief.
Good ones why I get here.
Why my second no go? No go. My second suppose always be my eye now.
Yes.
I'm a market bad today.
But where was I?
Imagine time. Something after 5. If we waste more now, we go.
Okay, better me go mama Nkechi shop.
That woman know they get better.
Sure. Should I tell you?
No, they get better. No,
Yes, sir.
you go close.
Alpha, you see the sea motor?
No, sir.
But now,
you know they come up.
So I feel like say we go close.
No, we go close. But we go close. At least go sit down one place.
Yes, now.
No, go mama Nkechi shop now.
No, that one in pepper soup, not the sweet.
Should I tell you?
Imagine that woman go even serve us pepper soup without agidi.
Sure.
Next Udoka, when we enter Udoka or Concord, if you enter Udoka, as then they serve you pepper soup, they will give you agidi. And if you chop them, honestly, if you chop the Udoka, agidi and pepper soup, or anywhere, my brother, your salary na there go finish.
You go finish all your salary for that job.
That's all, Nada.
The year am.
Come, officer.
Look at they look in the eye. Sir, but make give me my own. Make I go buy chin and the pure water.
Instead of you to buy, don't mind this idiot. Instead of you to buy, they found out shaving stick. I don't tell you, your beer they grow too much.
But the way they trade this officer carry come.
Naba, they train. Come call the call Usuf. Where every time Usuf go toilet.
That
Usuf go toilet. Usuf will stop eating beans in back. Imagine. So when if there's any attack now, we're not going to see Usuf at all.
We are with our.
You are back. Welcome.
Are you missing your way?
What kind of stupid question is that? Are you not supposed to welcome and take me inside?
How can I welcome you? You are the one who's supposed to welcome me. I'm just coming in. I saw you here with a bag. And you are here with your bag. Any problem?
Your useless and mannerless sister locked me outside.
Oh, she's inside? But you didn't tell us that you are coming. Is there any problem? I hope all is well.
All is not well, Anozie. As you can see, I'm carrying your child.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. How? When? Where? Was it in Blue?
What kind of question is that? You're asking me how, where, and when. As if you don't know when you were doing it.
Oh, football time. Once. We did it just once. Football time. Obalo.
Obalo.
Amara, open the door now. Amara, prepare you. No, you go inside.
You're supposed to be telling me rather than asking me stupid questions.
Go inside. Just once.
Tell me it's not truth. Tell me it's not truth.
I'm just confused.
Oh, you are confused.
I'm just confused. How can I tell you? I'm just confused.
You don't know when you did now. When madam be me. Eh?
Okay, remove one.
Hey!
I did it just once.
I'm very, very disappointed. You don't know this girl. Mwa nukuta kezaya. Ifo onya aneke nke chukwu mande mechanic. No kuru moto ka na anu onya. No.
Onya.
You have taken it.
Only one.
And she's now pregnant. Son sofu. Hi! Eh? You did not do. Okay, Chalkanjog or female kita the result here jam.
If you ask me, who will I ask? Just one do. Only one do I do.
I cannot take it. I cannot take it. You are not thinking straight. Eh? I can't let this girl in here. I cannot.
Wait, you know, she told me that she's a virgin.
Eh?
Hope I'm not virgin.
Virgin, man. Open virgin.
So she has been sharing to me.
No, never. I'm not saying he has been sharing to people. Kita kema. Unko ikobu na ya abu fibroid. Hey. Brother, chok down na koma. Yes, now bring her out. Let her go.
No, leave it. Let her. Then I don't want to talk. They will do it.
I don't like her.
Amara, hey, Amara, what you are doing is not good, though. Eh? Is it a crime for someone to be pregnant to your brother?
Nay, Jesus. You have succeeded in manipulating my brother into this thing in your stomach.
Baby isn't a thing and will never be.
Then leave my brother and take this baby to the father. My brother is just a victim of obsession. If you know what is good for you, take this bastard to the father, Oba.
Remember that you are a woman. What you are doing to me right now, another person will still do it to you.
My dear, do you know what happened yesterday morning? What happened? I went to Amara's shop to buy akara. I see Ekeze sitting down with her selling akara.
And what's your business there? No, now what is your business there?
Just that it's no good now.
That's how you do it.
Eh? Abomination! Hey! Aro! I can't wait for Anozie to come back. Hey! In this house! Hey! Baby, you can't believe what happened today. Do you know that your sister was inside with that useless boy
doing what I don't know. What? You won't believe it. That stupid boy, okay, or whatever. I don't know.
What's here?
I'm telling you.
With my sister.
Kissing and hugging.
In my house.
Everything.
Never listen. Yeah, but in my own house.
I want you to show this girl that you are the man and the head of this family.
No, Amara house.
What is it?
Amara house.
Hey!
Amara house. Come on. Bringing no patient. You are kind of rider.
I'm telling you, you won't believe it.
But I will do something.
You have to do something. You have to do anything you know that you will do to show them that you are capable.
Yeah, they did it in my house.
Yes, so they did it too. And do you know the worst thing? He was telling her to make sure that she prepared food.
Which food?
In
my house.
In our house.
Where is that Amara?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know. She's not inside.
She's not even in it.
I don't even get to know where she is right now.
I think I have to. Maybe I'm thinking to call national headquarters or federal headquarters.
Okay.
No. Something I must do something.
Yes, you must do something. Do something.
I need to do something. How can? I got something.
Hey, baby. Hey, oh, thank you. Ijogo. That was so much share up, okay? You're with me now. Hey, do you like it?
Liking is understatement. I love it.
Wow.
Onye Amara cannot even prepare this kind of food. Useless human being. Useless set of human being. A useless human being. I love it. Ocho. Na kugare. There will be no food for her in this house. She will not eat anything. Let her go back to that husband, boyfriend's house and eat food. I only allow. You are very stupid. Yes. Read my lips. Where are you coming from? What happened in this house? And why did you leave this house? In Apuala, you are asking me of your food.
I'm just asking of my food.
You will not going to eat food in this house from now henceforth. Yes.
Mom.
Hence you have the guts, the temerity, the effrontery, the mind to bring in a man in my house. You brought a man into my house. As if that one wasn't enough. We are kissing that man inside.
And what about this prostitute?
Hey! Just hold it there. Hey, just stop it. How dare you call me names? Are you better than I do? Hey! No, I'm going to call you a film coquille.
Wait. Each and all moment.
Let me ask you something. What attracts you in this lady? And you brought this thing into our house.
Hey, shut up. Don't talk when I'm talking. Shut up. Shut up. If you want to talk to me, I deserve some respect from you. I don't know. You're not talking Idiot. You're not ashamed of yourself. You can bring in a man. Hey! Who is there? Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Amara! Hey! Somebody help me! Amara! I don't know what is inside my water. Hey! Help me! Hey, Amara! I don't know what is inside the water. Help me!
Chicken. Amala, please help me now. Hey, are you leaving me here? Hey, Amala, hey. Hey, I can't wait for my Anozie to come back and eat this my delicious meal. So tasty. Hey, oh, sweet, yeah. I can't wait to serve my Anozie. Hey, this is delicious. Hey. Hey. Hey! I can't go very well. I think I have to dish my own and eat first.
The moment I came back from my usual packing business, I was told you sent for me. So I had to drop everything I have done and go to the house direct. I hope everything is alright.
The first day this issue started, I came to your house the previous day. I informed you about the lady that ran to my house.
Yes, you did.
Claiming that I impregnated her. And since then, we have been living, hoping the day she will put to bed. Only for me to return back from my usual routine, work. Hearing that my sister here told me that she ran away with the baby, with my baby, and also ran away with her bag.
She left on her own?
On her own with her bag.
Praise be the gods of our land. I know that the gods will intervene in this matter. Because from the very first day, the one I saw this lady, I knew very well that she's not a good wife material. And she can never make one. Now that she has just decided to leave your house on her own, and I'm sure she carried her bag away. So, what are you talking about? It is only a celebration. In fact, Anozie, I will volunteer one good itoti, that is 1 gallon, for us to celebrate her exit. Let her go to wherever she comes from, so they can have your life to live. Oh, hey, I am happy.
Brother, even, do you know what? I overheard Gineka forcing the pregnancy on one guy. Then the guy turned out to tell him that sugar meat Oba, the one in prison. Okay, from
how many people?
Okay, so
how many guys impregnated her?
Answering that question yourself.
Could it be possible that 3 men will join their genital organ together and drive children into her womb? She's been exposed. So instead of facing the shame, she ran away from you. You're a very lucky person. You know you're a very influential person in this village, and I will respect you and hold you at a great honor. So let her go and leave you. You will settle down and marry a better wife. That's by the way. It's all the celebration, like I said. Last time, this your sister, Marachi, came to my house and reported to me that she has been trying to secure your attention on a particular topic. But you have always maintained a deaf ear. You have never given her the chance to air what she wanted to tell you.
My sister, yes. In fact, since all these things started, one problem to the other, one problem to the other. Oh, she even came to you to report. I don't want the... Okay, my wife will raise this allegation. My son will tell me that my wife is lying. So who will I believe? I'm no longer fighting with my sister.
It's even better that they were just dragging you like that. Now, you should not there and there. And this is the result of the chalk. The animal has vamoosed with the property. That is, by the way. This one is a good news. Eh? Yes. Very good news.
It's good news.
Yes.
Let me hear the good news.
Your sister told me that she had been trying to tell you of
Casey.
Okeze. But Okeze had been following her and pestering around her for marriage. Okeze wants to marry her.
In fact, he was saying it with much ego. What will it take? That he want to know what it will take. That why not try him? That let us. He wants me to give him list. Just me and you know. He's just an ordinary, a common Okada rider, bike rider. I am only afraid. I don't want my sister today. She will marry a man and then tomorrow my sister will be suffering and die. I don't want it. That's my only fear. You know, you can hear afford you, Ima.
I understand. Well thought of.
Brother.
Anozie. And our children kittens. In this life, there is nothing that will ever make you to marry Amarachi. She's the same blood. If you do, it will become a sacrilege, a traditional taboo, what we call aberration, and it can never happen in this life. So she just remains your sister, and that is the end of it. So please, my son, you have never doubted anything I tell you. You're always taking my advice as a father. Take this one also. Allow her to proceed, so that she will take her to you. That is the tradition. You are the father of today, who you know, and the brother. So you can now encourage them, and they begin the normal marital rights.
And you know, I will not say no to you.
I will never say no.
It's okay. So yeah, no,
Thank you.
That's me.
Anozie. I remember.
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Special one.
Thank you. May God just keep you with
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Umunna, none. As we can see, I myself cannot easily say that this is why these people are here. I would prefer, Anozie, you have to open up so that you can understand the reason why they are here.
We must do our tradition. Actually, they called me. I'm not going to deny the fact. That is true. After the first one they came, this one now he called me that they would like to come. So, but I would like to hear from them why they are here.
Thank you, my people. Well spoken. It's all about what my brother said the other day. So that is exactly why we are here now. At least to make inquiry, or rather gather some information concerning the marital vows. That is exactly why we are here.
introduction can I want introduction. I go against him.
Oh, it's all the Ibanasi and what I create Amari Okenya Kusieli. You people are welcome once again. It's like the hands of God is with you people. You be reported at the right time.
Exactly.
The Umunas, they are here.
We are here, I know.
Everybody is here. Even the head of the Umada, she's here. The sister of your in-law to be, she's here. The youths are here. So the right thing is this: you people are going to give us KCM 2,000 naira. With the 2,000. Achikozie.
Okay, so the 2,000 naira is not just a bribe. It's for the list. For list.
Yes.
It's for the list.
Okay, that is not a problem, and it will never be a problem.
One night for going in. Oh, the go call ya.
Cha umaga umaga
Yeah. Yenu. Yeah. Nono. Yeah. Nono. Yeah. Nono. Yeah.
I'll go for you for an awake. What is the name of that apple?
Amara.
Amara, yes.
Amara. Oputeba me Yamakuya. Why? Adanne. Amara. Biakele. Bioka. Oye no ebe na wey. All the guys.